Hey guys, today I'll be talking about how I book my trips and some tips around picking up a destination for a vacation on a fixed budget. There'll be a series of videos showing the ways to travel on a shoestring budget, which will help you travel more and often. Let's start with the basics. Open a browser in your computer and go to flights.google.com. Pick your origin airport and leave the destination empty. Start with some probable dates for your vacation and then hit the Explore Destination map below. It'll show up a world map with the prices for the destination around your airport. Fix your budget. I'm going to lock $500 as my base budget for the trip. Then slide over or navigate to the continent or the country you're thinking of. You can always change the budget based on the number of places showing up with the price filter. These are some filters available to narrow down the search further, like number of stops, your favorite airline for the miles maybe, number of bags to check, and the total duration. I'm going to fix 20 hours for this trip. Let's go to Paris. Click the price and then view flights to explore further options to pick the right dates and the price for your trip. It'll show up the onward and return airline options available for the dates you picked. Click the date grid option to explore the prices for different onward and return dates. You can even decide to move your vacation to a different date if the grid has a great deal. I would recommend to spend a good amount of time here and not miss out the lowest price ever. Let's close the date grid option and move on to the price graph option. This is for those who are really flexible with the travel plans. This offers the price variation graph for pre-selected travel dates. You can choose the block of dates with the lowest available price and probably plan your trip around that. Also, don't forget to check if there are any notes or information available for the selected range. Next option is to check if there are any nearby airports to lower the price further. If you're not satisfied with the selection or prices or the dates, go back to the Explore Destination page to pick a different location. Remove the filters for broader selection and restart the search. Hit the zoom out button to explore further, navigate to another location and repeat the steps you have learned so far. If you actually see, there are so many places in the world which are affordable and the prices are cheaper than the domestic travel. Traveling is fun and cheaper too if you search the right way, and it's not time consuming as well. Let's pick Bogota, Colombia to see the next steps. Click the price and view flights. Select the departure and return flights. This is the last part. Once you've selected the flights, you can either use Google Flights to continue or go to your airline site or your favorite travel site, fill the information and finish your booking. This video is to help you pick a place and a date to travel on a shoestring budget. Comment below if you want to know more, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos on visa, vaccination requirements, low budget stay, etc. Thanks for watching guys.